Welcome to our channel, friends. Today we have brought you to a very peaceful and beautiful place. This is Shivakhola, a lovely tourist spot hidden in the Darjeeling hills of West Bengal. Just look at this clean mountain stream and the beautiful green forests all around. It's the perfect place to relax and also the perfect home for some incredible wildlife. Look right there on the wet sand. Do you see that bright glowing blue line? This is common bluebottle butterfly. They are very beautiful, very fast flyers, and right now it is doing something very interesting. This behavior is called mud-puddling. Let's zoom in and take a super close-up look. You can see the butterfly sitting quietly using its straw-like tongue to drink the muddy water. Now you might be thinking, don't butterflies only drink sweet nectars from flowers? Why are they drinking dirty water from the mud? Well, there is a very interesting scientific reason behind this. You see, flower nectar gives them sugar, but it does not have minerals. Just like we need salt in our food, these butterflies need sodium and other minerals to stay healthy and fly fast. The wet mud near these mountain streams is full of natural minerals. And here is a fun fact. It is mostly the male butterflies that do this. They collect these minerals and later pass them on to the female butterfly during mating, which helps her lay strong and healthy eggs. Now look very closely at the back of the butterfly. Do you see those tiny drops of water shooting out? This is absolutely amazing. The butterfly acts like a living filter machine. It quickly sucks in muddy water from front and keeps all the good nutrients and minerals inside its body and instantly pumps out the extra unwanted water from behind. Nature is truly incredible, isn't it? If you enjoyed watching this beautiful moment and learned something new today, please hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful nature and wildlife videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.